There are two issues here. One is that women engage in negotiations about a quarter of the time that men do. So whether it's on a car lot, whether it's in a salary negotiation, whether it's with your partner about the chores in the house, women tend to, because of our society's expectations, to be the ones to say, oh, that's okay, or oh, don't worry about it, or that's good enough for me. Well, that's okay, but do you realize your choice, or rather your fear about not negotiating, could mean that you're leaving $1 million or more on the table over the course of your career. Now, maybe that's okay, but it's not to me. And the skill of negotiating is something that is very much developable. What I want for all of you in this program is to begin to understand what those fears are, what those blockages are, and begin to feel more comfortable about engaging in the process of negotiation. And once you do, utilize various strategies and tactics to ensure that you get what you're worth. It's not about do I or don't I. The question is, how do I engage? For example, we know from the research that women who negotiate their starting salaries are more respected than women who do not negotiate their starting salaries, but they're liked less. Interesting, right? So how do you overcome that? Well, one of the things the research tells us is when you advocate on behalf of your department, your family, your greater good for which you represent, you have a better chance of not only getting the outcome that you're looking for, but doing so in a way that people like and respect you. So for example, it's not about looking for additional funding so that you could work better in this organization, but rather by getting this additional funding, the people in this department are more able to do what they need to do with the resources available. So advocating is one technique that works really well.